read his speech carefully, and he talked about the fact that stimulus worked to be able to get the Ohio economy back on track, or that it's getting the Ohio economy back on track. Just looking at the stats, totally objective here, Ohio lost jobs last month. We didn't gain jobs. Ohio has lost over 180,000 jobs since the stimulus package was signed into law. So just objectively speaking, you can make the argument, I guess, that here's a job that was created by stimulus, mostly public sector jobs in Ohio, that might not have been created otherwise. But the question is, how could that $800 billion have been spent more effectively to generate private sector jobs? Because that has not worked for Ohio. And at the time of stimulus, I was arguing that you could do a lot more with less. In other words, you could spend half the money, focus it on tax relief to small businesses and private sector jobs and infrastructure, and you could create a lot more private sector jobs. I still would argue that, and there's data showing that that's true. Specifically, one of the proposals you will see in this jobs document here is it's not too late, because about $300 or $400 billion of stimulus has not yet been spent. Some say it's waiting to be spent closer to the election. I don't know. But the point is it hasn't been spent, and we need it. We need it right now. I mean, this is the crisis. You know, in Ohio, we not only have relatively high unemployment we talked about, but we have the highest unemployment we've ever had in the history of our state among those who have been out 6 months or more. 40% of those who are unemployed have been out now 6 months or more. Let's take that $300 or $400 billion, instead of continuing to spend it primarily on the public sector side, and some of it's going to private sector, but a lot of it's going through public sector entities that take out a big chunk of it. Let's redirect it towards small businesses. The specific proposal you'll see in here is a 1-year suspension of payroll tax for you as the employer and for your employees. 1 year, that's it. You can pay for it with the funding that's already in stimulus. What will that do? Those employers will be able to invest in the company and hire people. And what I'm hearing, and I heard it today from some of you, it's tougher and tougher to get credit, particularly for small businesses. Banks are really tightening up. The regulators are coming down on them hard, which, by the way, also comes from Washington. This will give employers the ability to have some capital to be able to reinvest in those businesses. The economy is starting to pick up a little bit. Not as much in Ohio as the rest of the country, but it's starting to pick up a little bit. But you got to have the capital to invest to be able to take advantage of that. Second, for the worker, a little more money in their pocket gets them spending, which is ultimately what economists tell us we need to do, is to get the economy moving. The worker buys something, business to business improves, raise business improves, and you begin to see the economy moving. So that's what I would do. Second, because there's enough money for this also, to the extent there's funds left over, targeted infrastructure, private sector jobs, shovel-ready projects that are actually creating private sector jobs. So I think it was a missed opportunity. I would agree with you on that, but I also think it's not too late.